All right, what happens when you take one of Italy's most famous pasta dishes and smash it together with a Singaporean street food icon? Well, today we're going to find out. We're talking about a dish that literally bridges continents in a single bowl. This is the explainer on Laksa Carbonara.
I mean, just think about that for a second. What if Italy met Singapore right there in your dinner bowl? It's a wild idea, right? You've got that super rich, comforting, creamy vibe of classic Italian pasta. And then, bam, it just collides with the vibrant, aromatic spice of a Southeast Asian noodle soup. It sounds bold, maybe even a little out there, but that's exactly what makes it so cool. So yeah, this question, it's more than just a catchy phrase. It's really the whole idea behind this dish. It's all about challenging those traditional food rules and asking, hey, can these two totally different flavors not just get along, but actually make each other better? Okay, so to really get what's going on here, we've got to understand the two heavy hitters we're dealing with. Let's break down the absolute core of each dish to see how this mashup even works. And wow, when you put them side by side, you really see just how different they are. On one hand, you've got the Italian soul, carbonara. It's all about beautiful simplicity, right? You've got your spaghetti, that rich egg yolk, and sharp Parmesan cheese. That's it. Then, on the other side, the Singaporean heart, laksa. And this is a whole different story. It's an explosion of complex flavors. That spicy, fragrant laksa paste, creamy coconut milk, and then you've got the prawns, the fishcake. I mean, they're from two completely different culinary universes. So the big question is, how on earth do you bring these two powerhouses together without one just completely steamrolling the other? Well, the magic here isn't just throwing things in a pan. It's way smarter than that. It's all about creating a kind of delicious harmony. And here's the secret. We're not just mixing things. The key word is infusing. We're taking that creamy, comforting base of a classic carbonara and infusing it with all the incredible aromatic character of laksa. Think about it, that rich sauce from the egg and cheese, it's the perfect vehicle to carry all those spicy, fragrant notes from the laksa paste. It just soaks it all up, giving you this massive punch of flavor in every single bite. Now that's what you call fusion. Okay, so we've talked about the what and the why. Now for the really fun part, the how. Let's get into the nitty-gritty of how you actually combine these two worlds to make something totally new and, honestly, super exciting. And you know what the best part is? Making this thing is actually way easier than you might think. It really just comes down to 5 simple steps. Seriously, this is a dish that looks and tastes super impressive, but you can totally pull it off at home. All right, let's do this. Step 1, super classic, boil your spaghetti until it's perfectly al dente, with a little bite to it. Now, while that's happening, you start building your flavor base. You're gonna saute that laksa paste with the coconut milk, and trust me, your kitchen is going to smell amazing. Then you cook the prawns and fish cake right in that sauce so they soak up all that goodness. Next, you toss in the cooked pasta, and now, this is the most important part, the move that makes it a carbonara. You have to take the pan off the heat. I'm serious, this is the one rule you can't break. The heat that's left in the pan is all you need to stir in that egg and Parmesan mixture. It's what creates that famous silky, creamy sauce, and it's how you avoid getting scrambled eggs. It's a genius move, really. And that's basically it. See? Laksa Carbonara is so much more than just a recipe. It's an idea. It's proof that sometimes the best food comes from playfully breaking the rules. It's kind of an invitation, really. An invitation to look at the food you love in a totally new way. So, as we finish up here, I want to leave you with this. This isn't just about Laksa Carbonara. It's a challenge, really. I mean, if Italy and Singapore can create something this delicious in a pasta bowl, what other amazing, unexpected combinations are just out there waiting for someone to try? So the real question is, what culinary worlds are you going to combine?